Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Knowledge Point 46. This skill focuses on the principles of quantitative and qualitative risk management theory. Your primary goal is to translate obscure technical vulnerabilities into the universal business language of operational impact and financial risk. The biggest trap junior analysts fall into is acting like alarmists. They demand expensive security tools to fix minor bugs without ever proving the financial return on investment to the board. The fix is to use risk management. By applying established matrices and mathematical formulas, you can logically justify every single security decision you make. To evaluate danger, you must master the two languages of risk. Qualitative risk is for rapid triage. It uses expert judgment to calculate risk by multiplying likelihood by impact. You plot these subjective ratings on a risk matrix, using a red, amber, green traffic light system to show stakeholders what needs immediate attention. Quantitative risk uses hard financial calculations to build concrete business cases for security spending. You use the math, calculate the single loss expectancy, SLE, and multiply it by the annualized rate of occurrence, ARO, to find your total yearly financial risk, the ALE. To build your practical experience, speak directly with your company's risk and compliance team. Ask them to explain the organization's official risk appetite. You should consult various department heads. Ask them what their most critical digital assets are. This helps you identify who the true risk owners are in your business. Try to shadow senior security architects. Observe how they present ALE calculations to justify their budget requests to the executive board. Finally, review your company's official risk register to see exactly how existing cyber threats are categorized, scored, and treated in the real world. For your K46 portfolio entry, use this STARR structure. Situation: the executive board was hesitant to approve funding for a £30,000 firewall upgrade. Task: my task was to calculate the quantitative risk to provide a concrete business case for the investment. Action: I reviewed historical data to calculate the single loss expectancy and the annualized rate of occurrence for a potential breach. The math revealed an annualized loss expectancy of £150,000. Result: I presented this £150,000 risk to the risk owners. Seeing the undeniable math, they immediately approved the £30,000 upgrade to mitigate the danger. If executing your major project, K46 must form the absolute foundation of your cyber risk assessment chapter. You must insert visual proof. Include a colorful qualitative risk matrix evaluating the top threats to your proposed system. You must also show your work. Provide the exact ALE mathematical calculations for your most critical vulnerability to justify the security controls you designed. Documenting this is vital because it proves to the assessor that you are a strategic thinker who understands that technical security is ultimately about ensuring business survival. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices, just like you, who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPAHUB. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.